Hey everyone, welcome back to the English Vibes podcast.
Hello, hello. We're back again.
I'm Emma.
And I'm John.
This is a place where we just talk
Real conversations.
real life.
Simple English.
Before we start, don't forget to like the podcast
Subscribe to the channel.
and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our future episodes.
All right, let's get into it.
Today feels like a good day to talk.
Yeah, calm energy.
Hey John,
Hey, Emma. How are you today?
I feel good, relaxed.
That's nice.
What about you?
I'm okay. A little sleepy.
Weather effect?
Maybe.
Already starting the topic.
So today we're talking about weather.
Yes, something everyone talks about,
Every single day.
even when we don't know what else to say.
Exactly. Weather saves conversations.
True.
Awkward silence.
Talk about weather.
Meeting someone new.
Weather.
Elevator.
Weather again.
It never fails.
Weather connects everyone.
Because everyone feels it.
Hot, cold, rain, sun.
We all experience it.
And moods change with weather.
Oh yes, big time.
Let's start with sunny days.
Ah, sunshine.
How do you feel on a sunny day?
Happy, energetic.
Same.
I feel like going outside.
Walking.
Sitting in the sun.
Sunshine makes everything look better.
Even boring places look nice.
True.
But too much sun.
Too much heat is terrible.
I hate extreme heat.
Same.
Sweating for no reason.
Feeling tired all day.
And people saying, nice weather today.
When it's 40 degrees.
Exactly.
Hot weather makes people complain.
A lot.
It's so hot.
It's so humid.
I can't breathe.
I need cold water.
Complaining brings people together.
In a strange way, yes.
Shared suffering. What about cold weather?
I like mild cold,
Same.
but extreme cold is painful.
Freezing hands.
Cold nose,
Layers of clothes.
and still feeling cold.
Winter fashion looks nice though.
True, jackets are cool,
Scarves too.
but walking outside is hard.
Winter conversations feel cozy.
Sitting inside,
Hot drinks.
talking about rain and cold,
Saying, it's freezing today.
even if it's not that cold.
Let's talk about rain.
Rain has different moods.
Light rain feels peaceful.
Heavy rain feels dramatic.
I love rain sounds.
Same,
But getting wet outside is annoying.
especially without an umbrella.
Worst feeling. Rain makes people emotional.
Yes,
Some people feel calm.
some feel sad.
Rain feels romantic sometimes.
And lonely sometimes.
Depends on the mood.
And the music.
What about cloudy weather?
Gray skies.
Quiet days.
Cloudy days feel slow.
Like the world is sleepy.
I don't hate it.
Me neither.
It feels soft.
Calm but dull.
Windy days are funny.
Hair goes crazy.
Clothes fly.
Walking becomes difficult.
Holding hats.
Wind feels powerful.
Like nature saying hello.
Or saying, move. Storms are scary.
Thunder scares me.
Same. Loud sounds.
Bright lightning.
Power cuts.
But storms are also beautiful.
From a safe place.
Exactly. Indoors.
Weather affects mood a lot.
Very true.
Sunny days feel hopeful.
Rainy days feel emotional.
Cold days feel quiet.
Hot days feel exhausting
People change with weather.
without realizing it.
Weather talk starts many conversations. Nice weather today.
Looks like rain.
It's colder than yesterday.
Simple but useful.
And friendly.
No pressure topics.
At work, people talk about weather a lot.
Yes.
Morning greetings.
Cold today, right?
Easy way to connect.
Even with strangers.
Weather is safe.
Always safe.
Weather creates memories.
Like rainy days from childhood.
Playing in rain.
Getting sick later.
Worth it.
Summer vacations.
Hot afternoons.
Weather stays in memory. Weather matters a lot when traveling.
Oh, yes.
Good weather makes trips better.
Bad weather ruins plans.
Rain during sightseeing.
Heat during walking.
Still, it becomes a story later.
True. People love complaining about weather.
Universal hobby.
Too hot.
Too cold.
Too rainy.
Too dry.
Weather is never perfect.
Humans are never satisfied. Weather feels different now.
Yes.
Seasons feel strange.
Hot when it should be cold.
Rain at odd times.
People notice it.
And talk about it.
Weather conversations are changing. You know, I like talking about simple things.
Me too.
If people enjoy these talks,
They should like the podcast
subscribe to the channel
and hit the bell icon.
so they can join us again.
Easy.
What's your favorite weather?
Mild sunshine.
Same.
Not too hot.
Not too cold.
Perfect balance.
Like life should be.
Deep thought. Least favorite.
Extreme heat.
Same.
It drains energy.
Makes people angry.
Weather can change behavior.
Definitely.
People check weather apps daily.
First thing in the morning.
Planning clothes.
Planning mood.
Weather controls the day more than we think.
More than we think.
Weather is more than just temperature.
It's emotion.
It's memory.
It's connection.
Talking about weather brings people closer.
Simple but powerful.
So today we talked about sun, rain, cold, heat,
And how weather affects feelings.
how it starts conversations.
And creates memories.
Simple topic, big impact.
Always relevant. Before we end, I want to ask something.
Go ahead.
What kind of weather do you enjoy the most?
And why?
Tell us in the comments.
All right, that's it for today.
This was a calm conversation.
Very calming.
Take care, Emma.
You too, John.
See you next time.
Bye.